go. Alright, welcome to the. Is this exotic candies? Yeah, everybody's spamming hi YouTube. Is this exotic candies? I feel like it's exotic candies. Is it though? Is it? It's a lot of foreign sweets, foreign snacks. Alright, exotic snacks. Is it exotic snacks then? Is it exotic? Are we calling it exotic snacks? Is that what we're calling it? Let me know. Yes. Alright, cool. Let's do it. Yes or no, Chad? You say yes or no. That's what we gotta do. Okay, go just say exotic snacks. So welcome to exotic snacks. If you're watching this on YouTube, smash that like button. If you're watching this on stream, spam W stream. You know what I'm saying? With that being said, let's get it started, y'all. Everybody clap it up, man. Spam W's. Let's do it. Okay, what should I eat first? What should I eat first? What should I try first? Yo. Oreos? Okay. Everything? Oreos. Okay. How about this? They got this. Pokemon. That's how I be sounding like anime. Anybody in the chat know what this says? Is this Taiwanese or Japanese? Or is it Chinese? What is it? A Pokemon. That's how they be saying it. Pokemon. Or maybe that's how I say it. I don't know. But let me know, chat. W or L, chat. I'm about to try this out first. It's Japanese. Anybody know how to speak Japanese in the chat? I know how to speak a little bit. Konnichiwa, arigato gozaimashita. Baga. Each needs sunshine. You know what I'm saying? Each needs sunshine. You know what I'm saying? Kono Wagi. That's why I be calling Speed when he be bugging. Alright, this is the packaging. So we got some, you know what I'm saying? Empty. Oh. Okay. ASMR, huh? Ooh. Has anybody had galletitas de Dino in Dominican Republic? Smells like it. Smells like it. Looks. Let's get a look. Baby Pokemons, chat. Pokeballs, chat. Baby Pokeballs. We're going in for the first bite. Some of them have Pokemon on it. Some of them have a Pokemon on it. Has a little pink sauce in the middle. I don't know if you can see it, but it's got a little pink thing. Now on that, W snack. Strawberry, yep. Kind of like that little logo right there. W. Rated out of 10, this is a 10. Like if you pass me this, we on a road trip, chat. This is a good little snack. This is a 10. I recommend it. Like W. Okay, moving on. Chat, what should I do next? Nigga turned the penthouse into a bodega. What he said? Okay, they said Doritos. Okay, Doritos. We got flaming hot Doritos. Okay. Here's the back. Okay. PTS on? Yeah, it is. PTS is on. Alright, flaming hot Doritos. Here we go. First chip reminds me of the one chip challenge. I got PTSD from that shit. 3, 2, and nice. Chat, nice. Let's do one more for safety. Chat. Everybody spam safety. One more for safety, chat. Everybody spam safety. For safety. Look at that. Alright, these are blue Dorito chips, but they taste like a little bit of. It's spicy. I ain't gonna lie. It's definitely hot.
Damn, son.
It's blue Dorito chips. It's regular blue Dorito chips with some spice added. Good. I like blue Dorito chips. Chat, what's your favorite Doritos? What's your favorite Doritos? By the way, what's next? What are we doing next? Are we doing the Pringles? Are we doing a drink? Are we doing Oreos? We could go Oreos over there. You know what I'm saying? Options on
son.
Drinks. Okay, drinks. I don't drink soda, but it's mukbang. I will. Okay, we have. What fruit is this? Chat, anybody know this fruit? I don't know it. I don't think I know it. Is that guayaba? What is this fruit, chat? Chat, what is this fruit, chat? Guava? Is it guava? Okay. Okay. Smells nice. Smells nice. Smell it? Oh, I can't smell it. Look at it. Okay. Not fizzy. More like juice. Let's hit it with a shake, chat. Ooh, I'm bodying this mukbang.
Damn, son.
It's alright. I wish it felt a little bit more natural. A little more normal. Normal. You know what I'm saying? It feels a bit fabricated. I wish it was a bit thicker. Pause. You know what I'm saying? It just feel a little.
Damn, son.
A little like corporate, if that makes sense. I don't even know if that, but you know, a little like not local. It doesn't feel local. It doesn't feel, you know what I'm saying? Okay. It is good though. It smells good. It just don't feel, you know what I'm saying? It's artificial. That's what it feels. Alright. What's next? What we doing next? Feel me? You feel me? You feel me, Chad? You feel me? It wasn't giving earthy. You know what I'm saying? Okay, they saying the Kit Kat. They saying the Oreos.
Damn, son.
We fucking with Ashter with the big sub. Ashter, welcome to the troop, baby. Whole lot of troop shit. Oh bullshit. Okay, they saying Lay's. Lay's. Where's Lay's? Is this Lay's right here? I can't see. Is this Lay's? Oh, these are Lay's too. Okay, blue Lay's or red Lay's, chat? Blue Lay's or red Lay's. By the way, if you're watching this on YouTube and you wanted to give your opinion on what I should pick up next, you should have came to the stream. See? Now you gotta watch what we did on stream, bro. Chat, red or blue, chat? Oh, I see a lot of blue. I ain't gonna lie, I see a lot of blue. Okay, we got these Lay's. Look like some orange chicken. I don't know what that is up there.
Damn, son.
Anybody know what this says right here? Blue for Dodgers. You want me to enter? Let me know. Let me know. Alright, go ahead. Let's go ahead. Let's see. Alright. Ooh. It got some twang. It got some twang. It got some twang, chat. Some twang. Oh my god. You know when the UK says fish and chips? This is like fish, but chips a version. Oh my god. I don't think I like this. I don't think I like this. It's like fish. It's seafood chips, bro. I'm not a big fan of the seafood. It's definitely rare, but I'm not a big fan of the seafood chips, chat.
I need ASMR with the crunch.
You need ASMR? You need ASMR? You need ASMR, little bro? Littlest bro? I got you, littlest bro. Delicioso. Alright, moving on. Alright, what's next? What's next, chat? What's next? What's next? Okay, they said a Kit Kat. Where is the Kit Kat? Where do you guys? Oh. Okay, we got the blue Kit Kat chat. It's 50 yen, maybe I think it is. Baskin Robbins collaboration, Nestle. I think it's an ice cream Kit Kat. That's what it looks like. Let's go ahead and break this down. They look good, chat. Do they look good or look bad?
Big 26 months sleep.
Come like this. Big 26. Yo, pinche chong, pinche chong. Big 26.
Damn, son.
Right.
Hey chat, we made it, baby.
Go ahead and unlock this. Let's unlock this new flavor.
Damn, son.
Are these Japan exclusive?
I'm not sure if it's Japan exclusive, but they are exotic snacks. Chat, this is how it looks unwrapped. Okay. Jam. Smells minty. Okay. 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 Chat. It's like it's basically mint chocolate. Nice though. It's nice. I like it. Okay. What's next, chat? What's next? Nice. What's next, chat? The peelers. What is the peelers? It's Pringles. Oh, here, peelers. Okay. Yo. Cummy banana, chat. Cummy banana, chat. Chat, cummy banana, chat. This is kind of crazy. This is kind of crazy. Alright, we're unwrapping it. Oh, smells like artificial banana. Okay. Oh, gummy banana. Okay. My bad. Baby bananas.
Damn, son.
The mango ones are way better.
Did you peel it first? You gotta peel it? Peel it?
Damn, son.
No, you don't peel these. It tastes like Laffy Taffy. Now you don't peel them, chat. There's nothing to peel. There's nothing to peel, chat. Nothing to peel. No, there's no peel, you dumbass. No, what do you mean? Wait, hold on. Wait, hold on. Oh! You do peel it. Oh my god! What the fuck? Look! You see? See a banana on the inside? Whoa! That's hard. Holy fuck. Son. Oh my god, look at this invention, chat. Nah, that's gas. See it?
Damn, son.
I'm crazy. I'm crazy. I'm crazy. That was hard.
Damn, son.
That was hard. I've never seen that. Making us NY nigga look. Shut the fuck up. Before I smack the shit out of you, bro. You shut up. Alright. Anyway. Alright, what's next, chat? What's next? My bad. One leg up, hand on throat. What the fuck? Alright, what's next, chat?
Damn, son.
Oreos, okay?
Yes, dear.
Woo! Mr. Baby Son. Welcome to the motherfucking truth. We got the Slim Thick, we got the BBL Oreos. Nah, this is skinny BBL Oreos, chat. This is the Ozempic Oreos. Okay? It looks like it's about to be strawberry or something. Oh my god. These bitches called a lipo. Look at this shit. These shits is thin. Look how thin it is. Look. Oh no. Mid. Ah. Mid. Ah. L.
Damn, son.
U.
Chat L. 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 Fuera. I wasn't that chat. Wasn't that chat? Yeah, it's somebody be going. Fanta Exotic. Well, that shit look fire though. Anybody ever had one of these? Shit look fire. Oh.
Is Fanum on Ozempic chat?
Fire. Fire, chat. Wow, el saoco de ese tipo. Chat. Wow. Fire. Chat. Oh my god. Nah, no bullshit, chat. No bullshit. That shit hit different. Everybody's spitting fire. Woo, se pasaron. Chat fire. Okay. Right. Wow, that was tough. Okay, moving on. Next. What's next? Next. Ritz. We got the Ritz. White Ritz. Whoa, I never seen a Ritz with the it's like Oreo Ritz. It's like Oreo Ritz. It's basically Oreo Ritz, chat. Hold on, this might be different. Ooh. Okay. Wow, that Fanta was tough. I'm not gonna cap. Give us a 360. Okay. Oh my god, this shit look like it might, I don't know. Look at this. Look, it's an Oreo Ritz, bro. It's not cream cheese, it's like vanilla. It's literally like Oreo version of Ritz, bro. I mean, Ritz version of Oreo.
No Blaze, you looking slim, gang.
Thank you, bro. Come on, Lam. It was originated by you. Let me guess, you was high as shit one day. You scraped off the Oreo and put it in the middle of two Ritz crackers, right? Shit, fake eye. I ain't gonna lie. It's alright. Ain't bad. I don't think it's mid. It's W. Okay, next. It's alright. I ain't gonna lie. Next. Pringles. Let's do it. Okay, these are Philly cheesesteak, nigga. Philly cheesesteak Pringles. Philly cheesesteak Pringles, boy. Boy. My young bulls, nigga, my young bulls made this.
Fanum sound like he just found a life-changing artifact when he eats food.
Oh, Nah, I don't know. I don't know, Shaq. Hold on. You on some nut shit, Patch? Meek Millie, what up? Hold on, Jack. Do I like these? Do I like these for real though? Like, I don't know if I like these. High mids. Jack, high mids. It's not bad, it's like, I don't know. I don't think those both taste like chips. Alright, next. And now, I did eat 3 of them though, I ain't gonna lie. Alright, next. What's next? Another Fanta? Okay. We got this Fanta. Okay. Nice. It's not bad. I feel like it had more flavor. The other Fanta is better. This Fanta, chat, better. It's alright. This one. This is a tropical. Oh, silly. What the fuck is this? That shit a little chili in there too. Green is the best. What they taste like? That one tastes like peach, but like it's just not that much flavor. Like they missing flavor, in my opinion. For president.
Damn, son.
Oh, fuck. Alright. Tastes like gasoline. I'm fucking with this one. Fire. Fire, Jeff. Fire. Ooh, this was tough. Chat, fire for the green one. Fire. Everybody spam fire for the green one. Fire. Oh, shit. All right. Next. This is a regular ass Tootsie Roll. Did niggas just give me a regular chat? Is this not a regular Tootsie Roll? Oh shit, hold on, y'all. My stomach on fire. Holy shit, I'll be right back.
What? All bitter baby mothers. Okay. Yeah. Now let me ask you something. Is you making your?
Son.
I'm not voting for this nigga, chat. I'm sorry. I'm not voting for him. I'm not voting for him. I'm not voting. I think a vote for Kai is a vote. Is a vote for That's just, I'm not voting for Kai, nigga.
Son.
Ain't. A vote for let me tell you something, bro. A vote for me though. Listen, y'all vote for me. Let me tell you something, bro. I'm reducing all taxes. You know what I'm saying? We gonna tax the rich. Alright? I'm reducing all taxes. And we only taxing car, nigga. No cap. Alright? Not only that, every guest that walks into Kai Subathon is getting taxed. You know what I'm saying? Wavy. Okay? I think that's a win-win for us the people. I think that it's a long time coming. I think we're tired of this current regime that Kai Cenat and his mafia goons have been imposing on us. I think that they take us as a joke, and I think we need to respond with swift retaliation. I think we need to keep it peaceful, but still commit to a decent approach. Okay. With that being said, Fanum 2024. Make sure you vote for me. All right. All right. All right. And this is the song this is the song they play when you vote for me.
With my niggas,
All right, back to the Mukbang. You don't hear it? Put it up a little louder. I don't hear it. All right, chat. All right, lock in. Mukbang, lock in. I'm back. All right. Next. What we doing? What we doing next? What we doing next? What we doing next? What we doing next? What we doing, nigga? Not bro eating the whole 7-Eleven. What?
You're an absolute gluttonous beast, and the only exercise you get is lifting a fork to your mouth.
I didn't even use a fork for this whole mukbang, first of all. Not one time. For you to even say that is crazy. There's all been hands. It's all been hands. I've been doing hands the whole time. I didn't use a fork. So you can't say I'm only exercise I do is lifting a fork if I've been using my hands. Bitch. The fuck? Chat, what's next, chat? I'm going red lays. Ooh, Texas grilled barbecue flavor. Delicioso. Delicioso. Kyle watching. Kyle, we not voting for you.
Damn, son.
Kyle, we not voting for you. Kyle.
My heart fan.
Listen, bitch. Listen here, bitch. I'm reducing all taxes. And I'm taxing not only you, but I'm taxing every single person that walk into the mafia thing, mafia mansion, nigga. That's what I'm doing. That's what I'm doing. I'm taxing every single person that walk in that bitch, and us as a people will receive the winnings and the earnings from that shit. We tired of your shit, nigga. Chat, we tired of Kai seeing that shit. Tired of your shit. All right, chat. Tough.
Hey Fanum, I wanted to say over the past few years you never fail to make me smile. You also make my toga drip imagining the favor of your Dominican ass on my tough. Thank you.
What? Hey yo, what the fuck was that? He said, Uzi scam me? Uzi didn't scam shit. Bitch, Uzi never taxed me. Uzi did what all these political puppets do. They promise you they gonna do something, and they don't fucking do it. Hey yo, DJ, cue the beat.
in the club, hopping with
Oh shit. No bullshit. This was hard. Yeah, W for this one. W. Oh my god. Next, we're doing cherry Fanta. Look at this shit. Cherry Fanta, delicioso. Nah, it's cherry. Oh no, it's apple. That's why I was like, I was looking for the cherry, but I taste the apple. Whew. It's cool. It's cool, chat. It's cool. Okay. We going Kit Kat.
Hey Fanum, going to need to start cutting down on the amount of food that I need to make you. I need to start seeing my kids.
What the fuck? What the fuck is, who Fanum's private chef. What the fuck was that? Kai said, fuck Fanum tax. Nigga, if I was him, I'd say fuck that shit too, nigga. He's my #1 customer, nigga. Go to his room, nigga. I'm getting everything.
There are more calories in your stomach than in the local supermarket.
Y'all being weird.
You're so fat the only letters of the alphabet you know are KFC.
Y'all being weird as fuck. Y'all niggas being weird. Y'all niggas being weird, bro. Y'all being weird today. Chad, look, it's a pancake Kit Kat. Hell nah, what the fuck? Chad, look at this shit. It's a sweet pancake Kit Kat. Y'all niggas being weird. Woo, that sort of got me feeling frivolous, chat. Frivolous. Nah, Katie got me like. Is this Katie? I don't know what it is. Got me feeling like. You know what I'm saying? Oh, smell like grandma crib. Oh, what the fuck? El Diablo. This is too much. Yeah, this is too much, yeah. Yeah, this is too much. In my opinion, it's too much. Is it bad? Not really, but it's a little too much, bro. Tootsie Roll. This is a regular, I'm not doing this. That's a regular Tootsie Roll. Alright, that's not exotic. That's not exotic, bro. Dragon Ball snack. Where y'all see that at? Oh.
Big 17. Boy, why do you take the kids' school lunches?
I ain't take no skate cool lunch. You must be confusing me, bro. Oh, this is kind of tough. Let's see what this is. Okay. You got a 10. You got Goku, Kakarot. Oh, Kakarot. Okay. You gotta unwrap it. Okay. Whoa. It's literally Dragon Balls, chat. A whole bunch of Dragon Balls, chat. What the fuck? You saying, hey, yo, give it to Benji.
Damn, son.
Yeah.
Damn, son.
This tastes like it was fire in 1992. Like, in 92, nigga, like, niggas took this shit and was like, yo, this shit hard, bro. Like, this is like mid as fuck. This is mid, bro. This is mid. You was around then? No, O'Neal. But you definitely was, nigga. Cause we know you 45.
Hey Fanum, you are so big that when the family has their picture taken, you're the background.
I bet. You farming, nigga. I know you farming. You farming. Alright. These Oreos. Yo, when I started the mukbang, it was daytime. It is now nighttime. I'm just letting y'all know. Alright. Kai said you be wearing thongs. Do y'all want me to tell you what Kai be doing downstairs? Before he even, y'all want to know what he be doing? Oh, you don't want to know. You know his career would be over. He lucky he my mirrors. but I accept him as he is. You feel me? Chat, what type of Oreos is these? Hold on, these is the whatever the fuck this shit says. Chat, anybody know what this say? Does anybody know what this says? Does anybody know what this says, chat?
Fanum, you so big when you wore a yellow raincoat and people yelled taxi.
Alright, bro. Oh, I feel a little funny, chat. These hard. Hard, chat. Hard. Hard. Okay. I need a bag. This is next. Is this Minute Maid? This tastes like gas station drinks. Just to keep you going. Nothing crazy. Just to wet your tongue. Pause. Alright, moving on. M&M. We got the fun size M&M. These are regular M&Ms. There's nothing rare about this shit. That's regular M&Ms. I'm not doing it. Regular M&Ms. Three Musket. This is regular shit. Okay, we got Skittles.
Damn, son.
We got lemon cherry gelato Skittles, sprinkles. You know what I'm saying? High tolerance Skittles. You know what I'm saying? Runch Skittles, toasties. I'm bullshit. Hold on. Ooh!
Fanum so big the animals at the zoo feed him.
Nah, that was crazy. That was that crazy. Fanum so big the animals at the zoo feed him. That is crazy. that was crazy. Chat, this is like Skittles, fruit snacks. Oh, fire! Everybody's been fire. That was tough. I know that was tough. That was hard. Bruh is loud. Yeah, I know. Get used to it. Okay. Alright, we got pie Kit Kats. Oh, apple pie. I don't know what this is. This shit look nasty though. Ah. I don't even know what I like this one. Somebody said yum. Let's take one little bite.
Damn, son.
Why you are?
No. 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 Legs! Crab legs! But it's crab legs. Fanum so fat his stomach don't even like it. Shut the fuck up, bitch. Oh!
Damn, son.
That just smell like the fish market. It smell like the fish market, chat. Oh! Nah, niggas is wild, bro. How you feel? I had the end, little chat. I had the end, little chat. Tastes kind of good though. It smell like shit. I could eat them after the beach. Long after you pass me this at the beach, bro.
Damn, son.
I'm not gonna dance. Wait. And then there were 4. Another pack of Oreos. golden crust or some shit. I know your room smells crazy right now. I mean, I can't tell. Smell like your girl after a day at the beach. What the fuck that means? That shit look like rain caught together. What? This look like rain caught together? Why you saying this look like rain caught together? Why are you saying that, bro? Why are you saying that, bro? You weird, bro. You weird as fuck, bro.
Finna come over there and play with yo stomach, while you tell me stop papa, and I'm like no Fanum, I'm sorry I can't do that, and then you start shedding tears and rethinking the possibility of escaping but you just can't. Find Fanum.
What was that? I don't like it. I don't like it. We got oh, these like the ones from earlier, but it dripped chocolate itself, I think. Chat, smoke some design stream. Should we do like should we do an edibles mukbang next?
I know 5 fat people, and you're 4 of them.
You're weird. You're so weird.
Damn, son.
I don't like it. Chat, I don't like it. Okay. The last lay. That shit like fritura. Yeah. Haas! W Haas in the chat. Good. Ooh, I got some spice to it too, chat. What is this? Oh, it's from China. This is good. Good.
Damn, son.
Wow.
Wow, really, really good. Really good. Alright, chat, last one, chat, last one!
You're so fat that even Dora the Explorer can't explore you.
Nigga, what? You're so fat that even Dora the Explorer can't explore you. Shut your bitch ass up, bitch. Like, yeah, why didn't, yo, nah, it will, drop low, bro. Drop low. Pussy. Cookies ain't crate chicken. You let this slide, bro. It's a nigga named Fanum Private Chef. What I'm supposed to do, chat? I said his name is Fanum Private Chef. Bro, like, what, bro? Nigga mad cause he not a part of his mukbang, bro.
Hey Siri, play Big Back.
I bet. I bet. Yo, this fire! Chat, fire! Chat, fire!
Taxman during the day, Batman during the night.
Facts. Taxman during the day, Batman during the night. Alright, chat. There concludes the exotic snacks mukbang. Everybody's BMW.